In the market, we have some very interesting action over here this morning so far. I hope you guys are excited. Yesterday was absolutely insane. If you guys saw it's like last week, guys, there were too many epic moves firing off for everybody to even count. Congratulations to all of you guys that are taking advantage of everything we do with LTMP. I mean, I show you guys this stuff every day. We have a very interesting day ahead, though. We're doing a little public live day today because I am not going to be streaming tomorrow. I'm traveling. I'm doing fun things. So, folks, one of the main things that's coming out right now, we have some very, very positive news for Facebook here. The market is reacting very positively to this. Meta stock surges over 5% after Mark Zuckerberg says the company is looking at cutting metaverse efforts by up to 30%. The market has been waiting for this announcement for years. Remember, one of the things that was holding Facebook back in 2022 was Mark Zuckerberg going absolutely crazy on his idea that the metaverse was going to be the next big thing. Now, what the market's probably looking at this is that 30% cut is now going to go to that money that they were going to be spending on the metaverse stuff is now going to be spent more towards their other artificial intelligence efforts, which obviously the market is going to like in this environment. I mean, I think you guys know Facebook. I think it's my second largest holding right now. It should be right around the second or third largest holding across my account. So this is obviously a very, very nice move this morning. And for those of you guys that were sizing for zero after Facebook just broke to the top side of that range yesterday there, if anybody's in this is going to be another 1,000%er. So congratulations, everybody. Again, then you saw Circle yesterday, which we were talking about on the stream. Absolutely epic start to this move. Let's see if they can get some continuation on this one. GSAT's quoting lower in the pre-market, but it just looks like low volume nonsense on that thing right now. We'll see what happens with it. Bull looks absolutely insane over here too. You've got that 950 area that if it breaks could go on a really significant run back to that $11, $12 area there. We also have some post earnings in DG, and what was the other one? It was DG, and then there's another potential post earnings that we were looking at. What was the other one? Path. Path is the other one for potential post earnings. But let's see here. Yeah, we've got a lot of great opportunity out there today, guys. But ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, new to the channel, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. It costs you absolutely nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot, spreading these streams out to as many people who actually want to learn. Again, I'm like the only, people are now starting to have this happen to them, but I was the original one. Getting banned on Instagram, YouTube, everything. All I did was just showcase the most ridiculous results from the LTMP group, again, that nobody really has ever seen. I keep telling you guys we're doing stuff in the trading space that the trading space has literally never seen before. I get that it looks crazy, but once you see how simple this stuff actually is, everybody always wonders why they weren't doing this the entire time. So let's do a little bit of a roll call, start getting into some stuff over here. We did get an ADP. Or sorry, it wasn't ADP. We got the jobs report today too, which we should cover. But let's see, we got Dawn, Jerry, Gerald, Dr. Bob, Todd, Daly, Taylor, Jesse, Michael, John, Diego, David, Brady, Eddie, Jay, Rogue, Brittany, Nathan, Josh, Tom, GC, Corbin. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing? You guys having a good morning so far? It's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. So, yeah, Bull looks really good. I want to take a look at that jobs report because it's weird. Let's see. Oh, that's weird. Wait, what's that Klarna stuff? Oh, Klarna US membership plans. That's not really anything that we need to be looking at right now. Where was it? US jobless claims 191,000 in November 29 week, previous 216,000. US continuing claims 1.939 million versus the previous of 1.96 million. So what's interesting about that, and what could be happening here on some of these continuing or initial claims, it might be seasonal. You could see, I don't know. That's a weird one. Because again, all of the other data that we are seeing, especially from ADP, is showing us that layoffs are continuing to move to the upside here, and there is some decent weakness in the labor market. Now, I do want to see if that ended up shifting around rate cut probabilities at all. I don't think it will. No, we're at 89.2% probability of a rate cut coming at the December FOMC meeting here. Oh, yeah. Also, if you guys get 200 likes on the stream, I will start going through some of my favorite setups with you guys. I have one that's absolutely dirty that I want to share with you, but until you guys hit 200 likes on the stream, not doing that. So it's disgusting. It's like really good. Not a big name, but DSGX post earnings. You can do it if you want, but I'm not going to be touching post earnings on anything that's not a big name. MSOS looking to set up again. Let's see. Yeah, too close to that 200 there. But yeah, Facebook just on a ripper there, up $36 or 5.75% in the pre-market there. Market up as well. What about where's Apple? Are these other ones moving? No, not really. PAL pre-market action is wild. Swung $4 with no volume. Yeah, I mean it's just all those names that have like low volume in the pre-market are gonna move, or just low volume in general are gonna move very strangely in the pre-market. So we'll see. I want to see if Circle can get going again today, because this, guys, the potential on this setup here is disgusting. And most of you guys that are in this one from LTMP have already made this position free, which is, I saw many positions yesterday that were up over 100%, which was awesome. Congratulations, guys. That's great. Yeah, Path is one. Path and DG are the two for post earnings this morning that we would want to be taking a look at. Netflix offer for WBD, believed to be 85% cash, rest stock. Yeah, I mean, that's a big boy move there on Facebook. Jeez, ripping above the 200. That's nice. That's nice. A lot of my accounts are going to be looking real good today off of that move. So let's take a look at some of the other names that you guys love talking about here too. Neo bouncing back up a little bit after coming back down into the range of consolidation here. Again, that range was the range that we broke out of. That gave the LTMP group, again, one of those 35 10x plus trades over the last few months here. So again, this does make a lot of logical sense for Neo to be bouncing around this area. They had some good news. If you guys watched the YouTube video yesterday, if you didn't see it, make sure you guys turn notifications on for the YouTube channel here. It's really simple. You just hit the bell notification button. But they're seeing some decent delivery numbers out of some of their flagship models, which is a very good sign. Again, what's going to drive them towards profitability is going to be the volume game with Envo and Firefly, if they're able to do it. But seeing their flagship models continuing to sell in record quantities is a good thing. So again, nothing's changed with this one. If this one's able to meet the goal, if Neo's able to meet the goals they've outlined to shareholders, great. You could see a big re-rating higher. If not, it's going to be a position that I cut. You never want to marry these. Palantir is starting to set up very interestingly here. I am starting to become a fan of this. If we can get, like next week, if Palantir can flatline a little bit here and then we get that break, that could be a really fun setup. Let's take we already took a look at Webull. Webull looks insane right now. That's like it's not only like a decent spot for like longer term positions, but it's also at a really good area there for short-term trades. So we're gonna keep an eye on that one if any of you guys want that. Sofi, how are we looking here in the pre-market? Nothing. You kind of got a daily setup. You have a wonky weekly chart, but again, this one's still, it's not one that you want to buy here. It's not one that you want to short. You have potential S&P 500 inclusion on Friday. If they don't get it, they probably sell off. If they do get it, they probably get a nice bump. But again, this is one I gave to everybody at $6.60. Then I gave it to you again at $13.60 back here on this weekly breakout. So there were two great opportunities for you guys if you wanted to get SoFi. Again, there's a time and a place for everything, guys. And the time for SoFi is not now. It was when I was outlining it before. So what else? Any other tickers that you guys want in the pre-market? If not, we're just going to be kind of sorting through things, seeing if these names want to continue here and kind of going from there. Let's see. Where is GSAT? Is this still being wonky in the pre-market? Yeah, it's still being wonky with that. It was looking good for a second there, and then it just, the low volume nonsense on it was screwing it around. So we'll see. Still a good setup. I have another one that I'm really interested in. 200 likes on the stream, and I'll give it to you. If not, it probably alerts today, and then it's boom, game time. So let's see. Let's see what we get here, folks. Is there anything else coming through the news feed? Let's see. What's that? No, it's just the Netflix offer. 5-year credit default swaps on Oracle closed at a 16-year high. Money betting on Oracle defaulting on the debt they took on for AI infrastructure. Interesting. I wouldn't say that that's the most important thing in the world there, but it definitely is interesting. Yeah, also, if you follow me on Twitter, I mean, I gave you the meta setup. Cole! I have next week 670 for meta. Hopefully they're up nicely. Yeah, Cole. Okay, what did you buy him at? What'd you buy him at? Because that's going to be really interesting. So again, guys, I did outline this meta setup for you guys. And like I was saying in this morning, I was like, well, if anybody sized him for 0 off of the break yesterday, they're going to look nasty. Cole, if you paid anything around 50 to, let's say, 70 cents a contract, which I don't, it probably was a little bit more, you're going to be up probably 1,000% at least, because the intrinsic value of the contracts are $6 right now. So you're gonna, those are gonna open at a minimum right now at 676 at a minimum of $6 a contract, probably closer to 8 or 9, with the little time premium and a little IV boost on that thing. So that's gonna be yet another 1,000%er. Congratulations, man. Again, I tweeted this out too. It's like, to the unenlightened, like, what we do here with LTMP looks like magic, and I get it. I get it. I get seeing these crazy results all the time just looks absolutely nuts. But like, that's why I showcase them to you guys all the time, because I'm like, they're just gonna keep happening. They're just gonna keep happening. So again, for those of you guys that still need to hop into LTMP here, I'll throw the link in the live chat, and I have a special offer here for you guys for December. If you guys use code December, you get your first month for $1 a day. On price for Path? No, it's a post-earnings move. So again, that's the last video in the Swing Kings course. I'm not going to go through the entire strategy with you right now. I can't. So that's why the course videos are there for you. Am I still in Neo shares? Yep. Why wouldn't I be? It's the same thesis. It could go to 15. It could go to 2. It still doesn't matter. Well, 275. Yeah, I mean, Cole, those are still going to be up. I mean, they're going to be worth $9 a contract, probably $9, $10 a contract here. Maybe between 8 to 10. So that's still going to be what, 400% or something? 300-400%. But yeah, there's the link. It's also pinned to the top of the live chat if you miss it. Let's see. Yeah, there's GSAT back up. I love this. This is one that we've been hunting for a few days here, and it looks really nasty. Where's Circle? Circle down a little bit off of the crazy move yesterday. We'll see what happens with that one. I want to see GSAT clear 65.50 today. That's what I want to see. Nice little additional pump on GSAT would be fun. You own shares of Path because it's a solid company? Nice. Good earnings on it. Good reaction to earnings. Where's Facebook here? Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, Cole, that's... And there's probably a couple more of you guys in there too that have the Facebook position. It's just if you the only way you would have been able to hold that is sizing for 0, which again, which is why I talk about sizing for 0 so much. But great work, Cole. That's awesome. I'm excited to see what those are at market open here. UPSC crossed? No, it didn't. All right, let's see. All right, 30 seconds, guys. Let's see. Oh, you guys are almost a quarter of the way there on the light goal. Bite your fingers on selling or holding. You got a gift, Cole. What do we do with gap ups? Caper short? No, I'm not going near this. This does not. No. No, stop it. No, don't try and stick your hand on a hot stove and expect yourself not to get burnt. Come on. Why would we do something completely aside from what we usually do when everything that we usually do is... There's meta. All right, cool. Those could be looking really dirty there. All right, there's UPST. So that's 5-minute opening range. Oh, there's Frog as well. Hold on. Frog's another really good one. Again, 5-minute opening ranges on some of these. Lot of alerts firing off at open here. All right, so we're gonna, come on, get out of here. Get him out of here. All right, I guess it's not gonna do that. Okay, cool. You know you're supposed to sell? Yeah. All right, so then we've got Path and DG for post earnings. Did that hit again? No. Yeah, UPST's flying around here. GSAT. There you go. Above 65.50. I like that. Nice. All right, a lot of delayed alerts coming through today. Cool. What are those up? I want to see that in community gains, dude. That's got to be crazy. Where's Meta? He's coming down. What did I say? What did I say? We sell gap ups. We don't buy them. All right. Hey. Get back there. What is that? 60, 46? Wow. GSAT's going a little there. Hello. Hello. Good morning, GSAT. I like that. You only have 10% on Meta. You had January's. Well, yeah, it's because you had January's. That's still great, though. Oops. I'm so used to doing it that way. Not the same. Oh, City? What's up with City? Is it still going? That was a nasty... Oh my god. Look at this. What do you... That City move is dirty. That was another one. Those bank... So the bank tickers were all included for all of you guys in the LTMP watch list on what? Tuesday night. Then yesterday you just got the break and they was just off to the races on those. That was insane. All right, UPST's kind of close there. Posting my meta gains in the LTMP for the win. Oh, Kimberly, what'd you get it? Bull closing. Oh, yeah. Bull looking really good here too, guys. 600% on Meta. Congratulations, guys. I love it. I love it. How is everybody not operating in the market the way we do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. 600% gains. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Congratulations. Yeah, City and MS are still ripping. Look at that. The community gain section is going to be wild today. I genuinely don't know why everybody doesn't do this. Kimberly, 594% on Meta. Congratulations. Yep. Oh, wait. Why is... Hold on. What's that? MCD. No. GSAT down a little. Market nuking. Little nuke there. All right, now we gotta look for post. Oh wait, hold on. Path post earnings. Hold on. Path is about to do it here, and then DG. Not yet. You got a little room on DG there. All right, and then 5-minute opening range on UPST is like right here. All right, here comes UPST. GSAT's looking good. Circle struggling a little there today, but I mean, that still looks great. Where are the banks? Are the banks still going? That looks insane as well. Guys, congratulate. What else we got in community gains? Jesus, 590. That's crazy. You going too far out on yours? Where'd you get? There's UPST on the top side of the 5-minute opening range. It's volatile. Careful. Let's see. All right, and then you've got, all right, Path hit there. So Path is valid for post-earnings. Marvel starting to move. That was post-earnings yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah, Marvel post-earnings move could continue there. January. Well, that's why. You just had more time on it. What else are we looking at? Bull is dangerously close here. So, again, you guys can get your first month for $1 a day. I don't know what you're waiting for. Here comes Bull. Again, we've kind of called this perfectly. The move down, the shift, the consolidation. So, like 2 weeks. It depends on your risk. Like if you're... Okay, here's the thing, guys. If you really want to make it easy, just trade shares. I've said that so many times. You want to make it easy and not deal with it, just trade the shares. If you want to trade the options, if you want to get the crazy big multi-thousand percenters, I mean, you probably need to be within a month, ideally 2 or 3 weeks, and you size it for 0. Your position size is your risk. That's how everybody's able to hit the meta today. Because there's always going to be something. There's always going to be like, oh, I could have got this expirate. Just you want to make it easy, just trade the shares. The risk to reward is almost always going to be better on the shares. But then it's like you're setting up your risk. You wouldn't have been able to hold the meta move. So again, it's just a give and take. You know, you like the option trades? All right then yeah, size for 0, less time. GSAT looking good. What did this hit? 60, almost 66. What's the market doing? Market's leaking out a little bit there, but nothing too crazy. Cores. That looks interesting. I mean, we could go stop to break even on GSAT. I just kind of don't want to. I want to let that go. Bull. It's close. I mean, it's getting there. I really like this chart, too. I really like this UPST. So, let's see if this can get some action here. Nice little burst. Let's see. Or not. And then it just doesn't work. But again, like I tell you guys all the time, it's like, imagine every single trade that you took, especially on the option side. There's Marvel over that high. That could start moving on post-earnings there. Just, guys, imagine what your performance would start to look like if every trade that you took had the potential to run multi-hundreds, if not multi-thousands of %, or many multiples of your risk. Like, how much better would you be performing in the market? And it's like, well, that's where all that you guys see the crazy LTMP gains coming from. Baidu, I know, looks pretty good. Yeah, I've got some alerts on Baidu. That could be fun. And then Duolingo. Meh. Circle trying to move back up a little. Here comes the market. Yeah, Path post earnings is there for you if you want it too. ONDS, I've seen that one. It doesn't look bad. It's the 5 minute though. Oops. It doesn't, I mean, it's not bad. It's just not textbook, you know? Ankle challenge for 2027? No. No. Guys, no rage baiting today. Doesn't look like UPST wants it. We'll see. GSAT looking really good. Yeah, there's UPSC. There's no need for that one anymore. Duolingo looks good, though. Marvel getting going there. Where's City? That still looks great. Yeah, GSAT, I love how this looks here, too. Where's the market? Back down. Let's see. There are a couple other nasty ones that we're looking at. Those are gonna stay for LTMP though. You're not getting them. Sorry. It's $1 a day to join. Let's see. I just want to see. Oh yeah, that one is disgusting. That would be my next nasty one. Where's Meta now? I don't think that's... I probably gave back a lot of the gains. I mean, it's still up 3.5%. That's really good. Where's AMD, NVIDIA? Nothing. AMD's chart's not looking too good here. Where's Nova? Still just chopping around in that range, guys. I mean, that's still at decent spots for new ads on Nova. I probably got to do that at some point. Buy a little more. Bull's still looking good at 932. Let's see if that can hold. UPST back up. Where's Coin actually? Because Coin looked interesting. Coin is it? You know what actually looks interesting? Bmnr. This actually could be a little bit of like a snappy basin break above like 35.15. It's got the potential for it. MSOS is too close to the 200 EMA. I don't like it. GSAT cruising along there. I like that. Again, we can get a nice burst on that thing today. That'd be great. Path trying to break out? You mean like on the post earnings? It looks, I mean, the post earnings move is there. What about DG? Did that ever do it? That baited it, so that's still valid there if you want it. CLSK. Oh my God. Jesus. That's like insane. I love that. That's dirty. That's filthy. I love that. Yeah, that's freaking great. Yeah, I like where we're at with GSAT right now. I mean, that's at what, 1-to-1 basically? Yeah, we're looking good on that thing. I mean, where is 80? Yeah, market losing a little here. That does not look good, so we'll see. But again, it's like, as long as, like I've been saying, guys, as long as we remain above the escalation zone, we're fine. If you drop below this zone between 6,800 to 6,810, that's when you have problems. Until then, the market can literally do whatever it wants, and it doesn't matter to us. And it shouldn't matter to you. Well, where's Hood, actually? Oh, wow, Robin Hood got going a little bit there. Faded, but we'll see what happens with that. TTI pumping. Oh, yeah, that's another one, guys. Up 115% on path. Nice. Yeah, TTI, that's another good one that you guys all had. Again, you got, how many more do you want to see? Whoa, you know what I want to take a look at? Amgen. This thing's just chopping. I think we're going to leave this alone now. There's no real need to do it. It just keeps trying to flirt with the break and then comes back down. I think we're going to leave that alone. Good looking chart. Let's see. Community gains. What do we got? Morgan Stanley up 91%. Mando. Citigroup up 99%. Congratulations, guys. Nice work. Nice work. Yeah, here comes the market leaking. And GSAT cruising. Reddit? Is that still going? No, I don't like that. DG might get up there for it. Where's Path? Is that still going? We're on 17. We'll see. Market's leaking here. I love these share trades, man. There's so much more. You just, like, this is, like, for those of you guys that are like, I don't have time, I don't have this, it's like, no, none of that. Stop making excuses for yourself. You're being a silly goose. You know how much time it takes to, like, identify the setup, enter on the break, set your stop, and leave and have the TPs there? 0 time is what it takes. None. You can just sit in the trades and not do it. That's why this is so great for everybody and why it works for, like, any individual, no matter what your circumstance is. Let's see. I think that's Path moving up towards the highs there. That's close. Webull still looking good. Let's see. Pull back down. GSAT looking great. I love that. 1750. Yeah, well, again, it's post earnings, so, like, if it can move here, that could be another big one. Is Marvel still going, or is it leaking? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, GSAT. Oh, whoa, GSAT big pop. There we go. GSAT, nice little poppity pop there. There we go. What's going on with Sofi? I don't know. It's just waiting for potential S&P 500 inclusion. Just coming down to the daily 10. Nothing crazy going on there. GSAT. There we go. Let's see. I'm doing a tweet. We're victory lapping, as usual. All right. 3, 2, 1. Tweet. All right. I'll grab the link to that tweet there. Everybody, go drop some likes, drop some retweets. Another gem for the LTMP group. Who is surprised? Nobody. There you go. Drop some likes, drop some retweets. There you go. GSAT back down. Let's see. Market nuking. Yeah, it's... Who cares? MTH. What's up with that one? If we get through 68 on GSAT, I'll probably go break even and then just leave it. And just leave it there. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I mean, it's not quite 1 to, it's like 1 to maybe 2. No, not even. But maybe I'll leave that for a little longer then. I mean, if you get all the way up to here, I don't think, unless something crazy happens, I don't think you're coming back down here. This thing really wants to go, it looks like. Market nuke. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's a link to that tweet. Drop some likes, drop some retweets. I don't know how many more times you guys need to see this done. It's like, I'm just going to keep doing it. I told you 5, 10x trades ago, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's the best way to be operating in the market. Nothing else comes close, guys. It's not even close. I'm loving where GSAT is. I'd like for it to obviously continue and not do those big moves and then wick down. That's no good. And then where's Path? Oh, there goes Path. Whoa, hold on. AEO is still going? 500% on the AEOs? Oh, Tom. Maybe Tom just didn't post that yesterday. Tom, congratulations, buddy. Again, guys, this was another epic one from back down in here at 16. You had another entry back down in here at 1830. You had all these targets, and then you could make it free for earnings. Bing, bang, boom. Keep it simple. Easy, guys. I don't know. I don't know. BBAI, an in the money call. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'll look at the chart and tell you what it looks like. It doesn't look bad. You got a nice base here at the 200. This isn't necessarily something that I really want to be putting my money into just because it's one of these like lower, like sillier AI companies. The only thing I would do with this thing is trade it. I wouldn't do anything like that. It does look good for a potential. It's not perfect, and I'd give this like a C- rating for like a base in break too. But like over 650, you might get a little rip. You know. What up? Speaking of these, where's RGTI? All right, RGTI is actually getting close here. This would be fun. This is a much better base and break, Dougie. Much better. Thanks, no problem. Like, I like the RGTI potential here way more than I like anything else. Like, this could be like 20 cents. That could be nasty. This is one we've been hunting for a little bit. All right, we got to do another tweet with more victory lapping with the AEO. Jeez, guys. There's too many epic ones that count at this point. You guys are making my job. I don't even know how to showcase all of these sometimes because there are too many. And then everybody's like, there's no way you guys are doing that all the time. And it's like, yeah, but we are. That's why I'm tweeting them and showing you guys. It's like, this is what's possible if you listen. City nearly free. Nice. That's another good one. Well, I mean, I'll take a look at it, but it should have already been free, I think. Depends on the expiration, but if it's still moving there. Yeah, there's another tweet with the AEO gains. So for those of you guys that are like, oh my, no, he's lying. Nobody actually made 500%. Okay. Here's the tweet. Here you go. There's the picture of it. You're welcome. Okay. So let's look at City. I mean, they should have been free up here, depending on the spreads. But yeah, City looks, I mean, that's another epic one from this week, too. Break of 104.36. The stock's now at 107.50. That's really good. APLD. That looks good. I mean, it's not perfect. I'd like to see a couple more days of flatness here on it, but that does look really good. What else? Bull, flat. I mean, this guy's is still setting up so well. Like, it's just, you get that break of 950, the thing probably rips right to 10. Like, this is one that I'm very interested in. I'm a fan of where GSAT is. Obviously, I'd like to see it come up towards that $68 area, but who knows? Maybe it gets some volume later in the day. Market's nuking. It's going to make it difficult for a lot of things to trade higher. How many more? We don't really need many more this week, though. You guys have seen some craziness. Look at that AEO. It doesn't get much better than this, guys. Look at this. It's just perfect. Oh, you know what I want to take a look at today? Where is like XBI? Still looks good. XLV. XLV's not looking good. Healthcare in general. Let's see. Novo, how's that looking? Not great. I mean, it's still in the range, which is fine. It's just chopping around at this range. All right, let's see what happens to the market here. And then again, keep smacking that like button on the way in. If you guys get 200 likes, I'll start going through some of my most favorite setups with you guys. Like the best ones that I have for everybody. But again, they're just going to be safe relatively. It's $1 a day to join with code December. What are you guys waiting for? I don't know. More? You want to see more 600% trades called out right in front of you? Okay, gonna do it. What's that? Ooh. Oh, that's old. That's really old, I think. Yeah, that's really old. There's nothing on that. Ooh. Factory orders. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Calm market now. Let's see what happens. Nothing really going on. We're just waiting for the best setups to form. Again, guys, you got to realize the market's boring. Less trades, more profits. The sooner that you adopt that type of methodology, the sooner you're going to start having the success that you deserve in the market. If you're going to be one of those individuals that's going to be running around doing all sorts of nonsense, it's not going to work out for you. It just isn't. Ooh, I'm going to go day trade SPX. No, stop. Why would you do anything else besides having the ability to have every trade return multi-hundred or multi-1,000% gains or many multiples of your risk with shares? There's no reason to do anything else. You just sit there, you identify the best setups, you enter them, you set your stop, you're done. Go live your life. It's simple. And then, yeah, I'm going to have a lot more YouTube videos for you guys, too. I've done 3 for you guys this week. I don't think I'm going to be able to do one today, so the next one is going to be Monday. Shares rule. They're great. I love them. You just sit there and do nothing. Feels like passive income. Options, you feels active. You're like, data. AEO still looks great. Congratulations to everybody that held that one out. That's awesome. This is, I mean, I don't know how much better you want a chart to look. Yeah, calm day. GSAT looking good. We'll see if we can get some more action on that thing. UPST again, just chopping around there. AEO still looks good. Where's Citi? Where's the bank? I mean, Morgan Stanley looked insane too. Where's MS? I mean, there's another one, guys. Where's that TTI? Is that still going? It's still looking great up there. There's been so many this week. Like there's too many to count. Oh, then there's this one. Where's this today? KULR. Where's that? Oh my God, look at this thing. There you go. Really good entry point at 328 there. Still moving. That looks awesome. Yeah, congratulations to everybody that's in that one too. That's a really good one. And again, those of you guys on the live stream right now that aren't in LTMP, you don't buy these now. That's the bit. If you do that, you're gonna make me rage because like that's not how you want to be doing things. I show this stuff to you guys a lot so that you guys can see what's possible out there. Because again, the most important thing that all of you guys need to focus in on is the exact reasons behind when and why you're entering the trade, how you're gonna manage it when you're in it, and exactly when and why you're gonna exit. If you understood the strategy, you would never buy it here. You would buy it where it makes sense to buy it, which is at the break point, you know? But this is looking great. Oh, hold on. IO and Q just went there. That's another good one. That looks insane. That's like a weird modified base and break. That looks really good. Where's RGTI? RGTI is getting really close here too, guys. So IO and Q valid. RGTI is almost there. I'll tell you guys right now, the last time we hit IO and Q, it was 8,000%. put it out there. That's what's possible when you operate with the LTMP methodology. Last time LTMP or IONQ fired, 8,000%. So we'll see if it wants to get going. The quantum names look like they want to get a little spicy here, so we'll see. IONQ looking good, up 4% today. Basic swing back to the highs. I mean, yes and no. It's more. I would again. It's the video again. The LTMP videos are gonna tell you, Dougie, exactly how you want to be operating in the market, and it's like the videos are there for a reason. If that makes sense. It's like those. I'm not like the reason why the videos are there. So I'm not like I can't sit here every single day and then rehash the strategy over and over. I'd go insane. You know. IONQ moving. RGTI is really close there. You've got 27.18. Looks really good. Really. All right, this was the 8,000% IONQ right here. It was a 1 to 19 risk to reward trade on the shares. Like, what, you guys want to see more of these? I'm just going to keep doing it. It's not difficult. You just got to listen. Looks great here, though. GSAT kind of stuttering, but it does that. It's low volume. That still looks really good, though. What'd you do on DG? No. Bad. Misbehaved. You're misbehaving on DG. This is looking really good. Why can I never find prior tweets searching the way that I used to? I can't find my own tweet. I search it. I type my @ Oop, that might be the, nope. Do I have to do it the other way? It should be very easy to find all of my listed tweets if I search this way. I don't know why it doesn't do that. What about that way? No, because I tweeted it. And now I tweet too much, and now I don't know where it is. Oh, nope, that's not one. Nope. Why do they make this so difficult now? Twitter, get it together. What in the... Stop it. Why does it just randomly do that? Twitter's weird sometimes. City still going? Yup. Yup, look at that. Guys, what are we doing? What are we doing? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, here comes RGTI. IONQ looking good. Both of those look phenomenal. So, I don't know. Pay attention to pay premium, guys. Figure it out. GSAT's looking good there. I like that. I like that. Oh, yeah. City. I mean, that looks phenomenal. What are those have all got to be free for RGTI. Yeah, no, it's right there. We've been talking about that one. Oh, UPST back up. That one's a wild child. IONQ looks disgusting. RGTI could snap hard, like really hard. You literally could get this move, guys, from 27.18 to 44.50 in like a week. That could be nasty. Bull, is it close? That still looks phenomenal. Bull looks insane. Like, this looks really dirty. UPST ripping there a little. Let's see if it can clear. TTI looks good. How do the bios look? The ones that we were trading. Where's Growl? How's that look? No, that's back down. That was a really, really good move there. That was fun. What about SNDX? Is that still setting up? Oh, yeah. SNDX is still setting up again here. GSAT, hello. 68 would be big time on this thing today. If GSAT can get to 68 today, I'll probably just go break even and let it go. And just ride it for as long as I possibly can. That is the other beautiful thing about shares too, is like once I'm break even, it's like I can trail a stop if I want to, but I literally could just let that thing go and just wait for months and months and months and just let the trade play out. IONQ moving there. Look at that. 51 moving nicely. RGTI is getting close. Oh, did Path end up ripping there too? Oh yeah, there go. What are those up on Path? The post earnings? That looks really good too. Guys, there's too many to count. So, and then when you guys do hop into LTMP, all you got to do when you use that link, which I'll send it in the live chat again for you guys. It's also pinned to the top. First, use code December so you can get your first month for only $1 a day. And then just make sure your WAP account is connected, or your Discord account is connected to your WAP account, and then you'll automatically get lit in. You'll get access to all the both the full-length educational course curriculum videos, the daily private live streams, which again today's a public live day, so that's usually at this time slot. The full watch list, the pre-market plans, direct access to me to answer all your questions at basically all hours of the day. Let's see. Pat, 54%. 105% on Path. Nice work, Dawn. GSAT. Hello. Yeah, coin does look good, Alfie. All right, RGTI, here it goes. Very close here on RGTI. Very close. Very close on that thing. Oh, bull is close too? Oh, shit. Yeah, there. Sorry. Sorry for my language. Yeah, there's oh, APLD. That one we were just looking at. Oh, GSAT moving too. GSAT looks like new highs here too. Yeah, there we go. IONQ looks good. RGTI looks good. Bull is really close. Guys. Guys. Here comes RGTI. Hello. Knock, knock. Who's there? RGTI. Quantum. Knock, knock. Who's there? Quantum computing. GSAT. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there's another one. NTRA. That's a break there. If you want that one. That'll be a good share trade. Potentially in BIOS. Circle moving up. Ooh, yeah, Bull's really close. Citigroup. Oh, my Lord. Hello. Guys, how many more of these do you need to see? Seriously. Like, seriously. How many more of these do you need to... Oh, Circle's moving back up? Nice. I want to see RGTI rip to, like, 40. Are you guys going to keep doubting this over here? Wow. How are you going to keep doubting us? All right, it's right there. What is that, 2718? Really close. IONQ looks good. GSAT looks great. 100% on Citi. Shout out to you, Vix. The whole team have crushed it this week. You make it easy. Got to show some respect. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, guys, look. Now there's another one over here. Oh, bang. That was size. You'd have to be able to size for 0. You have to have size for 0 on this one to be able to hold this one, but Cat's moving up there too. You'd have to be low IQ to not be in the Discord. Hey, you said it, not me, Alfie. You said it, not me. Although I do happen to be in agreement. Citi, 110%. There you go. 103% on GSAT. Oh, okay. You weren't supposed to trade options on GSAT. 158% on Serve. Nice, guys. Great work. Just slice your wrist open so... Oh, that's not good. I get out early and I'm up big on Circle, Path, GSAT, and TTI. I'd call that a great day. Big Dap, hey man, whatever votes you vote. There you go. RGTI is a penny away from breaking. That would be... You can do both. You can do shares or options on that thing, but the shares trade is probably more fun. You can do both, though. You can do, like, shares and options. There's RGTI. Hello. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Quantum speaking. You'll sign your grandma up to the group? Hey, we'd love to have her. Oh, look, Citigroup. Rip, 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 rip. Citi, ripping. Oh, no. Oops, I didn't mean to lock it. Citi, ripping. RGTI, ripping. The returns I made today on Meta paid for all the dumb mistakes I made before I was in the Discord. Nice. Nice. Love that. We're gonna get a little, we're gonna keep victory lapping, guys. Oh, look, RGTI's pumping. Who would have thought? I don't, just help me help you. It's not that hard. Stocks look the exact same before they're gonna make massive moves. I teach you how to see it. I also show you where all of the setups are. You guys know how to execute them. Bing, bang, boom. You guys get to come and do the same thing that Turnkey Properties did. And the returns that he made today on Meta paid for all the dumb mistakes in the market. Oh, there's UPST to new highs. Okay. I did something fun on RGTI. I want to see if this gets really stupid. In a good way. That looks great though. Off that entry point, that looks really good. Cause look, this is like what you have here. I'd take this trade 10 times out of 10. Look at this. You got your entry, you got your stop, First TP's at basically a 1 to 4, but that's kind of like, you could do this. So you have potentially a 1 to 10 risk to reward the first TP. We nailed RGTI too for like, I don't know, 4, 5, 600% recently as well. Where's IONQ? Oh, it's at the highs? 175% on path. Big dab. Congratulations, man. Look at this. Circle looks nasty on the moment. Oh, where is that? Yeah, I'd obviously like for this thing to be above yesterday's highs, but yeah, that still does look really good. CLSK is another really good one. That's on the watch list now. Guys, I don't know. I don't know. What's that? There's CLSK. 173% on path. I don't, what, like, how much more do you guys want from me? I don't know. City, ripping. IONQ, ripping. RGTI, ripping. GSAT, I mean, ripping kinda. That's ripping for GSAT there. Circle moving back up. You guys nailed Facebook for 600% today. I mean, guys, what? Oh, there's Bull. There's Bull. There's Bull. Ah! That's why I say, guys, like the stream, help get this out to more people, because like I want, like, the whole goal that I have here is to show you guys how freaking simple the market can actually be. Why does everybody love to make it so hard? I don't get it. Like, seriously, you guys see this stuff all the time, like 35 10x plus trades in like a 3-month period. It's like, how are CLC, what's this? That's probably another one, or it's an old alert. Oh no, that's another one they're breaking. There are pick your poison, guys. There's so many epic moves out here. RGTI still pumping. You've got GSAT still going here. IONQ absolutely ripping. Bang, bang, bang. What? All right, I'm gonna throw the link for LTMP. Guys, it's $1 a day with code December for you guys to jump in here to be able to do this for yourself. $1 a day. I should charge so much more for this stuff. I want you guys to be able to do this. And again, like I tell you guys all the time, like, hitting the big multi-100 and multi-1000% gains is not the hard part. The hard part actually is you guys listening to me when I say, hey guys, you probably need to slow it down a little. GSAT 67. We go to 68 on GSAT today, I'll go break even. Like, I'll make it break even. Within seconds of buying IONQ and RGTI and Bull, I paid for 1 month of your Discord. Nice. Nice. Well, if they fight, that's the thing, guys, too. It's like, you have one of these, like, let's just think of like one of the 35 10x trades. You hit one of them, you've paid for it for the entire year. People are like, oh, it's expensive. It's like, I don't know. 1, no, it's not. 2, it's like, do you realize what you could be potentially generating with this thing? Do you guys understand? You need to make us able to pay more. Yeah, well, Antonio, the only thing that I have that's more is the mastermind, but that's separate. Out of all of my investments, I'd say the best one was LTMP, big dab. Look at that. So we'll see what happens with Bull here. If that can get a push, that'd be nice. Path. I love it. I love it. That looks really good there. What are those up? 200% now, Don? Because you were. Somebody was up. Oh, Dab was up 173%. City's now free. 184% ID. Oh, man. Current view, lodge in Chamonix, the Alps in France. Paid for. Oh, damn. Look at you over here. Look at you. Paid for. Dude, we have. Oh, my God. We have people going to the Alps. Paid for by LTMP. You guys, it's so funny. People are like, oh, but I have to pay to be in it. It's like, yeah, but you're basically getting paid to do it. Like, that's great, APOC. Congratulations, man. Remember the day that we had like only one person was like, one person was like, oh, look at the car that I bought with LTMP. And then everybody else was like, oh no, but I bought a car. And I was like, wait. You guys are all buying cars with all your gains? I was like, dang. Those big multi-1000%ers are paying off, man. They're paying off. I love it. What a day. What a day. GSAT looking good, but it's wiki. You got Circle trying to do its thing. Took that picture literally just now while watching YouTube, Craig. Quite honestly, though, man, go enjoy the Alps. That's crazy. I love seeing you guys win. Uh-oh, market, nuke. I haven't even hit 1,000%. That's great. Ale says, I've been in the Discord for a few weeks, but it didn't take long to understand that it's worth every penny. I love it. Plus, the community is absolutely great. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's again, guys, it's special. It's a very, very special group. IONQ is looking filthy. GSAT. Circle. Trying. QUBT might be next. It might be. Oh, Alex, did you figure out the Discord stuff? Because it, for whatever reason, it like isn't, I can't refresh the connection for you because it's not listed. So, and the reason why it still lets you have the mastermind thing is because it's a one-time payment, so it just gives you the thing forever. RGTI 22% already? Well, I wonder, well, that's probably spreads. I wonder what they would have been up if it was, like, if it, what do you call it? If when it was up at the highs near 25. AMAT out for 660%. Jackie, I wonder what it must be like for somebody that's not in the group sitting on the sidelines right now and just watching this happen. Capri, 123%. Jackie, did you get a screenshot of that for community games? 660% AMAT? That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Oh, GSAT. Bang, bang, bang. Boom. Easy money. Thank you. Reddit? Yeah, where is Reddit? This flashed up, hit a target, and then was done. Path new highs? Yeah, if GSAT gets to 68 today, I'm going break even and letting the trade go. 7%, 7.5% on shares. So that's pretty freaking good. Path still going. GSAT, rip. Thank you. RGTI. Guys, what are we doing? It must be ridiculous, like sitting on the, like, not in it right now, understanding what we're doing and being like, what the hell is up with these people? Yeah. The Rome's love STV. I love you guys too. We're having some fun today. Good day for a public live day. So, again, even after all of this, there's still only 60 likes on the stream, which is crazy. I wish more people saw this stuff. I really do. The Romeos. I really wish more people understood this because you'd have so many less people in the market just, like, completely screwing it up. GSAT! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here all week. Okay, so, guys, I did a little something fun on RGTI. Already up 35% on IONQ. Nice. Yeah, I did something a little fun on RGTI. We'll see if it works. It's a size for zero trade. I wanted to have a little fun after this week. Bull just kind of chopping around near that entry point, but that looks really good. It's just ridiculous, guys. I don't know how many more of these you need to see. Like, I can't even make a post. Like, there's too many games for me to showcase. Hit the like button. Yeah, it's great. I don't like, this is like the best way to be operating the market ever. I don't know why everybody doesn't do this. And there's only 71 likes on the stream. It's crazy. Crazy. Maybe I got to change the titles a little bit to get more on like the swing trading side. But like, God, like, this is just crazy. What else are we looking at? I'll let GSAT to hit 68. That'd be nice. Serve? What the? Dude. What'd you do? Oh, you got that, Brit? That looks really good. RGTI, what's that doing? It's fluttering around. We'll see. That has some insane potential. That's why we're looking at it. You can start moving above like 30. Oh dear. Oh, hi GSAT. How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. Oh, CELC. That looks good. That looks good there too. What am I up on my bull shares so far? Because I think I got him around like 920. Oh, 2%? Oh my god, I'm rich. Just kidding. I only have 2,000 shares of bull right now. I kind of want more. I might buy some more today. Rigetti. Guys, if we hit another quantum move, this is going to be one of the most ridiculous things ever. Like, because it's got more upside than this one did on the snap. So, we'll see. We will see, ladies and gentlemen. $220% on Path. Big dab. Congratulations. Again, guys, I'll throw the link in the live chat here, too. Again, for you guys. It's pinned to the top. But everybody can get their first month for $1 a day if they use code December. There you guys go. I don't... Wow, how many more of these do you need to see? I'm just going to keep doing them. It's not hard. You make it. Okay, that's what she said, but you make it difficult. What a day, guys. I want to see GSAT get all the way up there. That'd be good. RGTI cruising still. Bull looking good. Yeah, and also, if you guys are not following me on X yet either, make sure that you guys are. I'll throw the link to the X account right there, too. There's that link. Make sure you guys are following over there if you're not already. RGTI new highs. Thank you. Or not quite, but really close. It looks like new highs. Oh, nice. What? RGTI, new highs. Thank you. GSAT, almost new highs. Thank you. I want it 368. Then I can just move stops up to break even and let this thing rip. Thanks. Community gains, what do we got now? What is that? 234% IWM? Nice. Nice, guys. Ooh, GSAT. Hello. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Mm-hmm. Come on. Come on. Go tap. Go tippity tap it. Tap it in. Ooh, CLC looks good. I don't really like QUBT. It's just below the 10. I'm not really the biggest fan of that. Where's IO and Q? Alright, guys, I don't know. Like Alfie, I mean, if like Alfie was saying before, you'd have to be a real idiot to not be in there with us. Like, sorry to say, but I don't know how you guys can live with yourselves when you guys see this stuff all the time. It's like, you're watching streams, you're operating in the market. How are you not deciding to do literally the best course of action in the market, trading like with the LTMP methodology? I don't know. You're wasting your time if you're trying to do anything else. You really are. Up 6% on IONQ shares via IONX. Digging into the leverage ETF for your investment accounts where you can't trade options. Nice. Look at that go. RGTI looking good. GSAT's really close. Like, seriously, if you guys are trying to do anything else, try to do something else, try to do it on your own, you're wasting your time. To be quite honest with you. IONQ ripping. Up 8% right now. What do we got? More community gains? Nice, Lost in Lake Balboa. What is that? Nice little $1,000 win? Nice. Look at that IONQ move, man. That could get really... I told you, the last IONQ move that I gave out was 8,000% on the options. 1 to 20 risk to reward on the shares. That was like one of those very few instances where I think the options trade went a little bit crazier. That happens very rarely, but every once in a while it'll happen. Let's see if this thing can clear 28. CLSK new high? Yeah, that was one from earlier today. That looks good, yeah. That looks really good. Peeking out here. I mean, what? We were talking about this. 1467. GSAT, 11 cents away. That's flickering. It's flickering. It's being a goober. It's being a goober. I'm probably gonna have to go get myself banned on Instagram today because or TikTok, because I'm just gonna start victory lapping. They don't like when I showcase the multi. That's how I got banned on Instagram, guys. What about Meta? What do you mean, what about Meta? What do you mean, what about Meta? There's nothing to do on it now. Guys, we sell gap ups. We don't buy them. If you were in this thing before size was 0, there you go, 600%. If not, might as well not exist. All right, GSAT. Let's get another push here, huh? Mizuho sees strong rally ahead for Meta shares. Well, I'd like that. I'd like that. I own a bunch of it. I own a bunch of it. All right. What's the market doing? It's hooking. UPSC, is that still going? It broke that high. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh look, we're gonna do another tweet here too. Where did I put UPST? I thought I tweeted this, didn't I? Hey yo, Meta. Okay, what's that? Is that topside on DG? Whoa. Yeah, there's the post earnings on DG there if you want it. Circle, GSAT, UPST. There it is. And there she goes. Community gains looking insane right now. Yeah, dude. It looks ridiculous. What is it now? Oh my god. 121% on City, 207% on Capri, 70% on GSAT. Nice, Jackie. Bmnr, welcome to LTMP. I'm directing you to the start here area. There you guys go. Nice work, everybody. Yeah, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to get all you guys up to speed. Getting going in the right direction. Oh my god, I think IONQ is still up there. Yeah, looking great. Alright, GSAT, you wanna play games? I'll play games. Don't be playing games with me. LMTX trying to crack? That's not a ticker. Can I not read? Am I illiterate? No. 29.23. No. Really, a really close one would be 34. This right here, or what is this high? 34.40. 34.40 and then 44.50 are the two that I like on that thing. Oh, where's this one? KULR. How's that looking? Oh my God, look at this. Guys, here's the other thing too. I want you guys to realize this. Everybody sitting on the sidelines here, I want you to realize one very important thing. What was the one thing that I had been saying to each and every one of you guys over the last 2-3 weeks, really a month here? The times in the market that you want to really come in, that you can start learning and be able to understand exactly what you need to be doing for when the market fires off is then. Because what's going to happen, and I told you guys this, is that I'm going to come out and just be like, look at all of these absolutely ridiculous trades that you all could have nailed if you listened and said, oh, I'm going to learn this now, and then be able to capitalize on all of these. Now a lot of you guys are late to it. Now again, there's always going to be more. But you got to realize that I keep saying this to you guys. I'm like, listen, like they're good. These setups are not going to stop. They're just going to keep firing off. We have a little bit of a lull in the market. These are the times that you have to be learning and understanding so that when they do fire, you can be able to take advantage of them. Now, a lot of you guys did listen, but I know there's a lot of you guys that didn't. And this has not happened just once. It's happened like so many times. Like, look at this move right here, guys. This thing is up 6% right now. Bang. Another victory lap tweet. There you go. Boom. RGTI is looking for freaking 28 here. I mean, I don't like... How many more of these are you gonna miss? Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep doing this for everybody. Bmnr, welcome, buddy. Nutty move here on this. RGTI off to a hot start. IONQ is on fire. Literally on fire. HD? What's up with HD? Yeah, UPSC looks good. Where's HD? That looks fun. So, even on the shares trade on RGTI right now, you're still cruising. Oh, yeah, I know CoreWeave looks good. That's a basin break. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yep, CoreWeave's right at the level here, too. Right here. 83.37. Well, what is this, actually? 83.49 is the level there on CoreWeave. Wasn't I just about to post another one, too? There was something else I was just looking at. Oh, IONQ. Wait, how much did DG rip over that 5-minute high? A little bit, nothing too crazy. What was the break point? It was right here, 50.62. Bang, that's crazy. Look at this. Ding. You're welcome, guys. There's another one. Another victory lap tweet. Oh, no. I'm probably going to annoy everybody, but like that's the point. I'm trying to annoy you with all the gains. You should feel annoyed. You should feel very disappointed in yourself that you didn't listen. Because that's all it took. Just listen. You could have nailed IONQ, RGTI, GSAT, KULR, Path, Bull, now back above 950. What else? CLSK, Facebook. Like, it's literally almost too many to count, guys, right now. It's ridiculous. What else in community gains just now? Oh, DG, 202%. Bang. Capri, 207%. What else do we have here? Serve, 215%. City free at 135%. Those bank moves were nutty. AEO, 507%. Meta, 600%. Like, AMAP, Jackie was saying 660%. Like, I'm going to keep annoying you with this. Is that downside? I think that is downside on Lily. Yeah, Lily rolling over. That was a fun move up, though. That was a very, very fun move up through that first target at, like, what was it? 1100. That was a good one. Almost a top tick there. And then just started drilling, which is interesting because remember what I was talking about as my joke? Long Novo, short Lily. It's a good pair trade. It was like a half joke. Like, it did actually make sense. Long Novo, short Lily. I hope you guys are having fun today. We're all having fun. Look at IONQ, 53. Pumping, pumping, pumping. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. Like, this is ridiculous, guys. I'm actually going to do a fun tweet right now. I'm going to wait. I'll do it towards the end of the stream. It's a fun troll tweet. I have a fun one. Yeah, Dollar General, I know. Ripping. See? That cracked the 5-minute high. That one looks good, too. KULR, ripping. Somebody goes, where's the UPST volume? Who cares? Who cares? When have we talked about volume ever? It's lagging. We touch on it to show you that it's lagging. Anybody, like, people, like, logically just, like, snitch on themselves a lot because they're, like, it shows us, like, how much people actually know. People will be like, oh, I use volume for swing trading. And it's like, oh, yeah? You have a breakout on high volume, right? You're trading off the daily chart. Cool. Stock breaks out at 9:45. What happens? Oh my God, the volume's so low. It's freaking 15 minutes into the market. What do you expect? It's not going to help you. Sorry. Sorry to burst your bubble. It's lagging. Yeah, we're having a crazy day today. Jesus. GSAT back down again. I want to see that get back above 6 or get above 68. RGTI looking good. IONQ looking great. KULR looking good. Bull looking great at 950. Where's the ES? That's slipping. That's kind of why everything's moving around. Volume is a thing. Lagging. How is it leading? I just, like, the argument is, like, not. The only thing that you could look for is, like, oh, it's declining. So then if the volume could, like, think about how I talk about it in the videos. It's like, if it's declining and the volume is now lower, it means that any additional buying pressure that comes in could then move it more. But that's it. It's not like, ooh, high volume, let's do it. Because what people are doing is saying, oh, there's high volume now, which means that there's going to be high volume in the future, which that's a terrible logical leap to make. UPST, bing, 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 bing. do the troll tweet now. I kind of want to do that now. Did I just get upset? No. Why did I get upset? We're having, like, this is ridiculous today, guys. These are the days that you have to be ready for. Less trades, more profits. So many games you should do a video clip and scroll through them. No, that's not how you get views. You guys all know the deal over here. It's like you either see it at this point or you don't. If you don't see it, you probably shouldn't be trading anyway, quite honestly. And if you do, you're probably just going to end up giving your money to people like us. Like, it's fine with me. GSAT moving back up. Again, I want to see, if you break 68, I'll probably go break even. It almost doesn't matter because we have such a nice buffer on this thing now. This is not the day to shit on your hands. No, definitely not the day to be shitting on your hands. DG, not really much there. One of you guys front ran DG like crazy. You shouldn't have done that. Alright, I'm gonna do the troll tweet now. Okay, why does it do this? Okay. Alright. I want to see if this works. There's CoreWeave. Alright. 3, 2, 1, tweet. Alright. Here's the link. Drop a like, drop a retweet. I'm doing an experiment. Oh, MSTU. Ooh. I'm doing an experiment. IONQ, new highs. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I will be here all week. RGTI is hunting. Oh, it already hit 28. RGTI, oh my goodness. You're welcome. IONQ. Bang. 97X. Bang. The future of rock and roll. 97X. Bang. The future of rock and roll. All right. I think it's working. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. But this is going to be fun. Maybe I should have picked a bigger number. We'll see. Should have said like 3 million or something. IONQ, rip, rip. Yeah, bull, 953. That looks great. Told ya. Oh my goodness. Wow. How many epic trades do we have today? And there's still only 78 likes on the stream. Crazy. Crazy, guys. Nobody wants to make any money. UPST ripping? Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I know bull is breaking. I know it's breaking. All right, I'm trying. I think it's working. I don't know. We'll see. Path still pushing? Is it really? Yeah. 1774. Damn. Best kept secret in the market. What did you do different on RGTI? Nothing. It's just size for 0, and it's fun. If it rips, it'll go like 5,000% or something. Last 2 days have been insane. Huge thanks to Vix for all the heads up. No problem. UPST 60%. There you go. I want freaking GSAT over 68. Do it. IONQ is ripping. Imagine that. All right. I don't know if my experiment's working, but it might. RGTI over 28. Yeah, RGTI is ripping. So I'll tell you guys right now, just based on the spreads on these, I am up technically 60% on RGTI right now. I shouldn't be. It's just the spreads. I sniped it a little bit. I'm just playing around with it. I love it though. The share trade on that thing though is the best. It's like that's what you want. The options can go nutty, but you gotta work. Circle is Circle back up. Oh yeah, guys, Circle new highs. There you go. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. Guys, what a freaking day. What a freaking day. I wonder if I can edit this. I don't know. I should have put some tickers on there. RGTI already up 50%. Wow. 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 Guys, you know the deal. Use code December with the link pinned to the top of the live chat. Get your first month to LTMP for $1 a day. I don't know how many more trades like this you're gonna miss. Oh, IONQ up 50%. Nice. I mean, guys, those names are up 9%, 8% on just the equity there today. Path new highs. Guys, how much? All right, what's the Path post earnings up now? What's that? Look at that. Bang. 97X. Bang. The future of rock and roll. Circle. RGTI. IONQ. GSAT. Bull. There's probably a lot more. 108 for you. Percent? Nice. 30% on RGTI, not so bad. No, that's good. I sent myself to the wilderness with that one. If it hits, it'll be really big. It's very size for 0, though. What else do we have in community gains? 46% on Path? Nice. This should be up more. IMTX. 270% on Path. Nice, guys. Look at this. What were IMTX? I feel like I've looked at this. Yeah, I definitely have. What's up with this? Oh, that's a weekly chart. Yeah, that looks good. You're in more trades, more profits. UPST at 80% already. This has some nutty potential too. Up 50% on KULR. Thanks, LTMP. It's crazy. We only have 80 likes on the stream here, and this is the most. I keep telling you guys, we are doing things the trading community has never seen before. That's why YouTube demonetized me, and they tried to give me community guideline strikes like 6 months ago. Instagram banned me. They literally banned me. And you know what I did? All I did, here's what I did. I made videos saying, these are the stocks that are probably about to explode here. Here's how you execute on them. And then they did. And then I made a video that was like, here are the results of this trade that was up 3,000%, 8,000%. And Instagram was like, no, unrealistic. Excuse my language here, but fuck you, Instagram. Excuse my language. But like, seriously, screw you. Who are they to tell me what's unrealistic in the market when I do this all the time for everybody? And you can see it on the page. How are you going to tell me that this is not something that happens when I made a video before? Like, there were like 5 of them that I gave out for free where I'm telling everybody that it's going to happen before it does. Before it happens. Here you go. Here's the trade. You want to execute on it? Go ahead. If not, all right, whatever. We're going to do them though. And then boom, multi-thousand percent. And then I showcase the results and they go, no, that's not allowed. And I go, yeah, but it happened. That I laid it out for you right here. This is exact. Look at this. IONQ up 10% on the day. Like, then you have RGTI over here ripping. You got GSAT ripping. You've got UPST ripping. You've got Circle moving back to the upside here too. You've got Bull starting to move to the upside. Keep doubting us. Seriously, it is costing each and every one of you guys that isn't in there significant amounts of money. It is a little hard to believe. I still can't believe it, and my brother thinks I'm selling drugs again. Yeah, I get it, guys. It looks crazy, but like, how crazy is it when you guys see them all the time? All the time. Excuse my language there, but like, seriously, I'm trying to like show people what is possible in the market if they just listen and do the right things. It's not hard. Remember, the hard part is 277% on Path. Ian's up 12% on a shares trade from a Dave ticker, USAR. Bull's ripping. I mean, it's like I keep saying, how many more of these you guys need to see? How many more? I'm going to keep doing it. I want GSAT to go a little more. Yeah, that'd be fun. UPST rocking. Rocking right now. Boom. And to think it's only, I'm letting you guys in for $1 a day? I must be nuts. I am nuts. I'm crazy. Bull. Bang. Thank you. I'm probably going to buy some more of that. UPST is free. Congratulations, Dawn. Congratulations. $97X. Bang. The future of rock and roll. So how much Bull did I buy? 18,000, I think. I need more. I need more Bull. I only have 2,000 shares of it. CRNX is free. Nice. That was a good one. Like I told you guys the last time too that I called out IONQ, that we outlined this one. 101% on UPSC. Congrats, Don. This was an 8,000% trade for everybody. So it's looking like it has the potential to do it again here for us. So we'll see. RGTI looking great. GSAT looking good. UPST again still looking pretty good here too. IMTX is looking to get that weekly breakout here. Look at this. Boom. There's one. Bang. TEM is Tempest looking good. Let's get better setups out there. The inclusion. Well, if they get included, it will look good, but it's not a foregone conclusion that they get in. Market. Uh-oh. Look at this, guys. Market's down 0.17% today, and you guys got handed the literal best trades in the market. I think it's working. I think my troll is working. I don't know. Maybe it's all the other screenshots that I put out here, just the most ridiculous trades in the market. But what is the 2.0 about? Oh, the mastermind? The mastermind is a college level education in finance, markets, and investing. That has nothing to do with trading. It's going to be about 25 to 30 sessions. We're doing it right now. We had what of our 6th, 7th, 8th lesson last night. Last night we were talking about net present value, internal rate of return, required rate of returns, things like that. Before Monday we talked about weighted average cost of capital. But again, if you guys want to hop in there are no more sales for the mastermind. That's it. If you guys want to hop in, you still can though. But again, you want to join the monthly premium LTMP and use code December to get your first month for $1 a day. That's what you want to do. If you want to join the mastermind, you can, but I don't really talk about it ever. It's not trading related though. Man, I mean, Tempest does look good. I mean, I see that. It's not bad. UPST? What happened? Yeah, I know. Looks great. CLSK, yeah, that's still looking good, I think, there, too. Yeah. Yeah, that looks really good. I mean, we talked about these two areas, but this one was kind of the big one. That was kind of the early entry at, like, 1470. Bump. Looks great now? No. UPSC? It already broke. So. But didn't last week? On what? Look. This is Friday. How does UPST look good when it's just moving up? That doesn't look good. This looks good. PTLO, we don't care about anymore. CLSK looks really good. ION, oh my god, IONQ. ANAT? What's up with ANAT? Ooh, that looks fun too. That looks really fun. GSAT still looking good. UPST still looking great. RGTI still looking phenomenal. You've got IONQ looking disgusting here too. Oh my god. IONQ still ripping, guys. Look at this. Just art. This is what that is. It's freaking art. If GSAT hits 68 again, I'll go break even on it. RGTI, phenomenal. Low is probably better than HD. Well, because Low's above the 200, I think. Yeah, Low's looks really good. I think one of you guys already nailed this thing for like 300% on this break. But again, I wouldn't have touched that. It's below the 200. Is that new highs on this freaking thing? No. Well, that's close. GSAT's within $1. That could happen pretty quick if it wants to do it. There's an earthquake in the Dayton, Nevada region. That's interesting. Okay. Guys, remember, no stream tomorrow, but I will be around with you guys in the morning in the chats. There's probably not going to be a pre-market plan either because I'm traveling and I'm going to be really tired. So, but you guys, I'll be around with you guys, probably around near market open, and we'll be talking about stuff. Also, if you think about it, is there really anything else that we need to do this week? No. Fridays are usually days that we're going to be looking to set ourselves up for the following week anyway. But guys, I mean, what an absolutely ridiculous... Bull is pushing here too. IONQ, again, moving really nicely. RGTI, guys, 600% meta, 600% AMAT. Like, guys, the amount of gains that you guys just witnessed today are more than, like, most people are looking at in their entire careers. Like, the magnitude of gains that you guys just saw playing out today are gains that people do not make in their entire careers. And that's why I say a lot of times, like, you guys are spoiled by what we do in LTMP because this is not normal. And that's why I get that it's like a little bit ridiculous. Like, it's like, I don't believe that. It's like, no, you just gotta pay attention. It's not that difficult. So, guys, what a freaking week. So I'm gonna throw the link to you guys for LTMP in here one last time. Use code December. It's $1 a day for you guys to hop in. $1 a day. I don't know. Figure it out. I don't know. Like, you guys want to hit 600% trades, have every single trade that you take have the potential to run multi-hundreds, if not multi-thousands of percent? I know I do. That's why we do this. So, probably no YouTube video today. I got a lot of stuff I got to get going on. But, guys, unbelievable week. I'm super proud of all of you guys. Welcome to all the new members in LTMP. We're going to get you guys going in the right direction. And like I've said before many times, this stuff is not going to stop. You either see it at this point, you're going to be one of those individuals that are just going to be sitting on the sidelines watching us do our thing every single week here, just missing the best trades in the market. So guys, have a great rest of your day. I will see you. If you guys have any questions once you guys jump into LTMP, just again, make sure your Discord account is connected to your WAP account. You get directed to the start here area. You can start going through the curriculum videos, and we'll get you up to speed. So team, I will see you guys later.